Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. I'm Chef Tony and today I'm going to be showing you how I like to make cheesy broccoli soup. This is only going to take roughly about 25 minutes. Simple throw together soup, it's loaded with flavor and it's easy to make. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need 6 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of finely chopped onion, 1 clove of garlic minced, 1/4 of a cup plus 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 1/4 cup of milk, about 1.5 cups of chicken stock, half a cup of heavy cream, 3 cups of fresh broccoli chopped into small florets. We're also going to need 10 ounces of your cheese of choice. I'm going with a mild cheddar. You can use sharp. If you want to spice it up, you can even throw in some pepper jack. We're also going to need 1 ounce or about 1/3 of a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and salt and pepper. Now in a nice soup pot, we're going to go in with our butter over medium heat and we're going to get this melted. Our butter's nice and melted. In with our onions and we're going to saute these for about 4 to 5 minutes. Next goes in our garlic. We're going to give this a saute for about a minute. Now goes in our flour. We're going to get this thoroughly incorporated and we're going to cook this for about 1 minute as well. Now we're going to go in with our milk, whisking consistently so that way nothing is sticking or burning. Now in with our chicken stock as well. We're going to bring this up to just a simmer. Now we're going to go in with our broccoli. We're going to turn the heat down to low and we're going to let this simmer for about 6 to 8 minutes or until that broccoli becomes nice and tender. The broccoli is nice and tender. The soup's starting to thicken. We're going to go in with our heavy cream. That's just going to give it a more velvety texture. Get that stirred in. Now we're going to go in with our cheeses as well. Our Parmesan and our cheddar. We're going to get this thoroughly incorporated and mixed in, and then we'll get a taste. All right, let's get a taste to adjust the seasoning. Consistency-wise, has a nice hold. That's good so far. Let's get a little piece of broccoli. It's hot. Needs just a pinch of salt and pepper, but other than that, it's perfect. Let's head over to the cutting board and plate this up. Now we have our soup here in a nice bowl. We're going to garnish it with a little bit of extra cheddar cheese. Serve it with some nice crusty bread like a baguette. Be great to dip in there. This will be a great soup for lunch or an easy dinner during the winter or fall. But let's get a taste of this. Alright, let's get a bite. Let's be very careful because this is hot. It's so good. The broccoli's nice and tender. It's got a great cheddar cheese flavor. It's got a velvety consistency. It's nice and smooth. This is going to be great, like I said, for a quick lunch or dinner or just a good way to warm up. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time.